Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Zaid Malik from King Saud University, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. And I'm glad to be part of this year's STEAM conference in Faisalabad that is going to be organized by the University of Faisalabad. My area of expertise is Islamic studies, Arabic language and literature, English language and literature, and translation. And actually, I was honored to be part of this conference last year also, and I enjoyed a lot. It was a great success, and I'm honored and glad to be part of this conference this year also. And my talk will be on the message of the seerah of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to the entire humanity. Hope to see you all there. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.